Welcome back. Mundkaars living in a property next to Hawai beach have opposed construction of a shade in their property. They accuse that Goa Yachting Association is illegally constructing a shade and threatening the Mundkaars. However, when asked, the secretary of GYA, Milind Prabhu, said the association has acquired all necessary permissions. Taligaon Panchayat has granted provisional NOC for the construction of a shade in the property.
हे आता मुणकारी ते हें कोत्ता मुणकाऱ्यांक त्रास केले म्हणसर कितें मुणकारी ओगी रावतलो
तो खुंयचो आसलो रमेश
तो रेमीश पी तालिगांव
तेंचो कोण रिलेटिव्स कोण आहा
तेजो कोणूच ना हेणी काय आतां कितें कागदां शिमितीन सांगून हाडल्या आसतली तेणी सायनी पूण ती दाखयना कागदां आमकां आमकां दाखोवपाक गावलें न्हू मुणकारी सात झगडटा म्हणल्यार दाखोवंक जाय न्हू कागदां हें बांदलां पळय पत्रे दोन घाल्ल्या रातचें काम केलां धमकी दिवन हिंगा हाडून दवरून मारपाक म्हाका हे लोकांक घालता आसतना हेल्डिंग मारता आसतना हांवें विचारलेलें म्हादेवान ते कडेन हें कितें कोत्ता तुमी इतलें आयकोन एक गाडी सारकी येवन मारपाक म्हाका
We have got all the permissions and we have got an NOC from the Panchayat and the CRZ clearance. But yet I don't know why this problem has been created by the locals. See, GYA is a body, it's a yachting association, it's a non-profit body. There is no business here. Whatever amount is coming, it is going only for teaching. We don't charge, it is not a profitable organization, neither this thing. It is just for people to learn sailing as a skill. It is part of the skill development.
This property belongs to late Dr. Remedios Pinto in Taligaon. The property is next to Hawaii beach. GYA says they have sought all the required permission to construct the shade, but Mundkaars have opposed the construction, claiming it to be illegal. Devendra Gaonkar for Prudent.
FC Goa's marquee player Robert Pires has been handed a 2-match suspension for offensive behaviour during the ISL match against Atletico de Kolkata. For their part in the fracas, Kolkata striker Fikru and coach Antonio Habas have also been suspended. FC Goa will appeal against the suspension of influential midfielder Pires.
FC Goa's home game against Atletico de Kolkata saw a few ungentlemanly incidents, mostly involving Fikru and Gregory Arnolin on the field. Kolkata coach Antonio Lopez Habas appeared animated most of the time near the touchline. However, during half-time, Habas punched Robert Pires in the tunnel, according to FC Goa coach Zico. It is not clear what part Pires played in that fracas, but the former France and Arsenal star has now been handed a 2-match suspension and a fine of 5 lakh rupees. Here is the verdict from the AIFF disciplinary committee. Robert Pires of FC Goa suspended for next 2 matches of Indian Super League and fined rupees 5 lakh for breach of All India Football Federation disciplinary code of offensive behaviour and fair play. Fikru Lemesa of Atletico de Kolkata suspended for next 2 matches of Indian Super League and fined rupees 5 lakh for breach of All India Football Federation disciplinary code of offensive behaviour and fair play. Antonio Lopez Habas, head coach of Atletico de Kolkata, suspended for next 4 matches of Indian Super League and fined rupees 5 lakh for breach of All India Football Federation disciplinary code of offensive behaviour and fair play for the second time. Antonio Lopez Habas was previously summoned with a warning by the AIFF's disciplinary committee under its Article 58 earlier on 18th October. Pradeep Kumar Bhaktawar, goalkeeper coach of Atletico de Kolkata, suspended for next 1 match of Indian Super League and fined rupees 30,000. Appeal, if any, can be made within 4 days of the announcement of AIFF disciplinary committee decision. Bureau Report, Prudent.
Goans are desperate for a gift from FC Goa in the Diwali season. Only a victory will satisfy the football-loving Mundkaars when FC Goa take on FC Pune City in Pune on Sunday evening. With 3 games played, FC Goa have just 1 point in their tally. FC Goa will have to improve their finishing standards to score more goals if they have to move up in the ISL standings. In both the home defeats so far, Zico's team was let down by their forwards. Goans are hoping that the team will improve sooner rather than later.
Goans are making the right noises with support pouring from all quarters for FC Goa. However, the Robert Pires-led team has not yet been able to clinch a victory in the maiden ISL. Coached by legendary Brazilian, Zico's boys have played sensational brand of football at times, but they have failed to make their opportunities count in terms of goals. FC Goa opened their campaign on 15th October with a 2-1 defeat to Chennai FC at Fatorda. It was a similar story on 23rd October against Atletico de Kolkata, who are widely regarded as the best team in ISL. Sandwiched between the two home defeats, FC Goa played out a 1-1 draw at Northeast United for the only point in their account so far. With 3 games from a total of 14 gone, FC Goa will have to get their act together as soon as possible if they want to aim for a decent finish. FC Goa take on FC Pune City in Pune on Sunday evening. Hopefully, it will be a happy Diwali for the Goan army in Pune. On the other hand, Pune will be equally desperate to get their first victory of the campaign. Pune have so far played 2 games with 1 loss and a draw against their name. Bureau Report, Prudent.
And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent.
तुम्ही पळयतात प्रुडंट. You're watching Prudent.